Hello everybody, this is Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty edible bird cage. To start off, you would need a dome-shaped container like this. Look around the house, I'm sure you will find something. Cling wrap it completely and set aside. Roll out a piece of gum paste and cut a circle using a cookie cutter. Place it on the container as shown. Measure out the length of the container from one end to the other. Make the ropes or bars of the cage. You can use an extruder like shown or roll out by hand. An extruder just gives uniform size and makes it more neat. But if you don't have one, you can very well do it by hand. Start sticking the ropes to the disc placed on the container. Make sure to apply ample edible glue and start sticking as shown. If you are rolling out by hand, it's a good idea to use a fondant smoother or a cardboard to smoothen out the unevenness. Apply ample edible glue and continue sticking. Measure out the circumference of the container and cut out a 1/4 inch band of gum paste. Apply glue and stick it to the base of the container securely. Make sure there is a good overlap at the end. Another similar band for the top half. Another thick rope and wrap it around a small cookie cutter. It's half dry and can hold shape. Attach it to the cage as shown. Leave this to dry for a minimum of 24 hours. The longer you let it dry, the better. Once it's completely dry, slowly, very gently wriggle it out of the mold. Be very gentle and very careful. Cut out another circle large enough to fit the base of the cage. Apply glue liberally and place the cage very carefully onto it. Let it dry completely. Now this is optional. If you have this cutter, cut out a band and stick it to the bottom. After drying, I airbrushed it with Pearl Sheen airbrush color. Here it is, a pretty bird cage, all edible and ready to go on any vintage themed cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to watch such videos every week. See you next time. Bye bye.